Do you know that Facebook does not like you to have more than one account? Oh, yes. Facebook policy allows you to have only one account. So if you're someone that you have more than one account, then you need to delete the excess account and keep just one account. Hello everyone, welcome to our Pella Academy. If this is your first time of seeing me, I would like to say a very big welcome to you. Thank you for joining. And for the returning subscribers, God bless you, we love you. And if this is your first time of also joining our training, kindly click on the subscribe, like, comment, share. Make sure you share this video to everyone and do one more thing. Put your concerns in the comment section. We'll look at it and I'll make a video about it. So let's go on. Now, what do you do? If you're someone that you have more than one account, you are to delete that excess account and keep only one account. Okay, so how do you correct your mistake? Is to go to your account like this. Now, when you get to your account, go to this part here where you have the small picture by the right hand side. You can see it here. The moment I clicked on it, it showed account. You can see it. The moment you click on it, it will open. When it opens, scroll down to this part where you see settings and privacy here. Here where you see settings and privacy, you click on it. When you click on it, you go to this part that says settings. You click on it. When it opens, you go to the left hand part here where you have account center. You go to this part that says personal details here. You click on it. So the moment you come here, you're going to see profile. The moment you see profile, you scroll down and you see here that is written personal details here. You click on it. When you click on it, it's going to show you here where you have your contact info, your birthday, your identity confirmation, and account ownership and control. So what do? You click on account ownership and control and it will open this way. Now you're going to see these two. What do? You click on deactivation or for you to delete it. You click on it and it will open. When it opens, you click on the account you would like to delete. All right, so if I click on this account I would like to delete, it's going to ask me questions and it will ask me if I want to deactivate or if I want to delete. So I'm to click on delete, and when I click on delete, I will now click on continue. When you click on continue, it may ask you to put in your password. So you put in your password and then it has automatically deleted that account from Facebook. So if you know you have pictures, videos, or anything you would like to remove before this, please download and remove all, because the moment you click on continue and if you ask you for your password, you put your password, that account is gone. If you know you find this video helpful and you would like to see more videos like this, kindly watch other videos I have. Subscribe. Remember, like, comment, share, subscribe, and see you in my next video. Bye for now.